Welcome to SuiteTrails, your ultimate guide to exploring Istanbul, Turkey. Get ready to embark on a mesmerizing journey as we unveil 7 incredible tours and activities that will leave you in awe of this enchanting city. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Enjoy magical views of Istanbul from the Bosphorus on this dinner cruise. Sail on a yacht and watch a show with traditional Turkish folk dancing. Enjoy dinner and drinks while seeing sights like the Dolmabahce Palace, the Galata Tower, and the Bosphorus Bridge. Choose from a cruise with hotel pickup and drop off from Istanbul via an air-conditioned van or meet directly at the port. Enjoy drinks like Turkish coffee, tea, unlimited soft drinks, and unlimited alcoholic drinks, depending on option selected. Pick between a standard meal or a VIP option. Savor an appetizer plate with options like a seasonal salad or hot starters. Choose a main course like mixed grilled meat, seasonal fish, or a vegetarian menu. Finish your meal with a sweet dessert. Dine on your tasty food while watching live entertainment like Turkish folk dancing, Latin flamenco dancing, and a DJ. Gaze out the window at the imposing Galata Tower and Maiden's Tower, which has stood since the medieval Byzantine period. Enjoy shows such as live music, dervishes, Turkish dances, Latin dance, flamenco, sirtaki, and belly dance in the middle of the Bosphorus. Capture pictures of the Baroque Revival architecture of Dolmabahce Palace and the Ortaköy Mosque. Admire the Bosphorus and Fatih Sultan Mehmet bridges which span the Bosphorus Strait. Take in the waterside Ottoman architecture of the Beylerbeyi Palace. VIP menu starters. 10 types of mixed Turkish appetizers or mixed seafood appetizers. Vegetable pastrami pie, fish pastry, shrimp stew, fish meatballs, grilled squid main dishes, mushroom beef strogosate, beef medallion, mixed grill plate, meatballs, lamb skewers, steak, chops. Vegetarian vegetable casserole, seasonal seafood grill, Italian pasta types, salad, Mediterranean Turkish salad dessert and fruit, mixed special Turkish dessert or fruity chocolate cake, unlimited local and non-alcoholic beverages. Number 2. Go on a journey through history on a full-day tour to the battlefields of Gallipoli and learn about the legendary campaign of World War I when Allied forces, including many from Australia and New Zealand, tried to open up a supply route to Russia. Departing from Istanbul early in the morning, you will drive to the Dardanelles, with an 8:30 a.m. stop en route for breakfast. Upon arrival in Iqabet, enjoy lunch with panoramic views of the Dardanelles landscape. Your guide will then take you to many of the main battle areas, war memorials and cemeteries, starting at the narrowest point of the Dardanelles for a brief overview. Admire the Kalitbahir fortress, built by Fatih Sultan Mehmet in 1463 to protect the Dardanelles Straits. Then, drive to the landing beaches of the Gallipoli campaign, and learn how soldiers from the British Empire, supported by French troops, landed on the shores to be joined at Ereburnu by the Anzacs of the Australian and New Zealander Army Corps. Highlights of your tour include the Ereburnu Cemetery and Anzac Commemorative Site. See the Turkish cannon batteries and the landing beach at Anzac Cove, the main base for the Australian and New Zealand troops. Discover where Anzac legend John Simpson Kirkpatrick is buried, and pay your respects at memorials erected to commemorate the fallen, such as the Lone Pine Australian Memorial and Chinook Bear New Zealand Memorial. Depart for Istanbul at 6 p.m. to arrive back in the city for the end of the tour services at approximately 11 p.m., with a rest stop en route. Number 3. Enjoy stress-free sightseeing and total flexibility with this combination tour of Istanbul. Decide the best time for you to visit each attraction across 2 days, skip the long lines at the Basilica Cistern, and learn about the fascinating history of the Blue Mosque. Visit the Blue Mosque, Basilica Cistern, and Hagia Sophia by choosing from multiple daily departure times. Meet your guide in the heart of the Old City and start your tour at the best time for you. 60-minute Blue Mosque tour, daily at 11 a.m. and 1:45 p.m. Tuesdays only at 10 o'clock a.m. and Fridays only at 1:45 p.m. Journey back in time in the courtyards of the Blue Mosque. Then, step inside and admire the architecture and the famous blue Iznik tiles. As you explore, Learn about Byzantine and Ottoman heritage, Islam, and Istanbul's rich history from your guide. After the tour, you can stay as long as you want. 30-minute Basilica Cistern Tour. Daily tours at 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Skip the long ticket lines with your guide and discover the Basilica Cistern beneath the streets of Istanbul. Wander through the ancient cistern and admire the architecture and Medusa heads from Greek mythology. Stay inside as long as you wish after the tour finishes. 60-minute Hagia Sophia Tour. Daily except Tuesdays at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., Fridays only at 2 p.m. Discover fascinating facts about this 1,500-year-old landmark as you explore with your guide. Get a closer look at the massive dome, beautiful mosaics, and the wishing column. After your tour, stay as long as you want to test the wishing column. Important information. During high season, the security check waiting time for Hagia Sophia is around 60 minutes and at Blue Mosque 45 minutes. Number 4. Witness the Mevlevi Sima ceremony at the Hagia Pasha Culture Center in central Istanbul and see the whirling dances and dervishes. Enjoy complimentary drinks during the show. Step inside a 550-year-old Ottoman Turkish bath in Sultanahmet Sirkeçi and take your place. Learn more about the Mevlevi Sima from the provided booklet. Marvel at this cultural dance that dates back 800 years. The program begins with a classical Turkish music concert. See the dervishes and sheikh take their place and praise the Prophet Muhammad. Following the chant, hear the drum voice as the dervishes perform the 7-part Sima ceremony, which represents the birth of humanity. The Sima ends with a fatiha for the souls of all prophets, martyrs, and believers, and a prayer for the salvation of the country. Number 5. Enjoy magical views of Istanbul from the Bosphorus on this dinner cruise. Sail on a yacht and watch a show with traditional Turkish folk dancing. Enjoy dinner and drinks while seeing sights like the Dolmabahce Palace, the Galata Tower, and the Bosphorus Bridge. Choose from a cruise with hotel pickup and drop off from Istanbul via an air-conditioned van or meet directly at the port. Enjoy drinks like Turkish coffee, tea, unlimited soft drinks, and unlimited alcoholic drinks, depending on option selected. Pick between a standard meal or a VIP option. Savor an appetizer plate with options like a seasonal salad or hot starters. Choose a main course like mixed grilled meat, seasonal fish, or a vegetarian menu. Finish your meal with a sweet dessert. Dine on your tasty food while watching live entertainment like Turkish folk dancing, Latin flamenco dancing, and a DJ. Gaze out the window at the imposing Galata Tower and Maiden's Tower, which has stood since the medieval Byzantine period. Enjoy shows such as live music, dervishes, Turkish dances, Latin dance, flamenco, sirtaki, and belly dance in the middle of the Bosphorus. Capture pictures of the Baroque Revival architecture of Dolmabahce Palace and the Ortaköy Mosque. Admire the Bosphorus and Fatih Sultan Mehmet bridges which span the Bosphorus Strait. Take in the waterside Ottoman architecture of the Beylerbeyi Palace. VIP menu starters. 10 types of mixed Turkish appetizers or mixed seafood appetizers. Vegetable pastrami pie, fish pastry, shrimp stew, fish meatballs, grilled squid main dishes, mushroom beef strogosate, beef medallion, mixed grill plate, meatballs, lamb skewers, steak, chops. Vegetarian vegetable casserole, seasonal seafood grill, Italian pasta types, salad, Mediterranean Turkish salad dessert and fruit, mixed special Turkish dessert or fruity chocolate cake, unlimited local and non-alcoholic beverages. Number 6. The Bosphorus Night Tour with dinner and Turkish Night Show is a luxurious and entertaining way to experience Istanbul's beauty and culture. This tour combines a relaxing cruise along the Bosphorus Strait with a delicious dinner and a vibrant cultural performance. The tour typically starts from the pier where the boat awaits. You'll board a comfortable and modern vessel equipped with indoor and outdoor seating areas, as well as a bar serving refreshing drinks and snacks. As the boat sets sail, you'll be treated to a stunning view of Istanbul's iconic landmarks, such as the Bosphorus Bridge, Dolmabahce Palace, and Maiden's Tower, all illuminated by the city lights. You'll also see the European and Asian sides of the city, which are divided by the Bosphorus Strait. The highlight of this tour is the delicious dinner that will be served on board, featuring a variety of Turkish specialties. The dinner is accompanied by a selection of local wines and soft drinks, creating a true feast for your senses. After dinner, you'll be entertained by a Turkish night show featuring traditional music, dance, and costume performances. The show includes belly dancers, folk dancers, cultural dances, and live music, all of which showcase the vibrant and colorful culture of Turkey. You'll be invited to join in the fun and dance along to the music, creating a memorable and interactive experience. The tour usually lasts for around 3 hours, and once it's over. The Bosphorus Night Tour with dinner and Turkish night show is a fantastic way to experience Istanbul's beauty, culture, and cuisine all in one unforgettable evening. It's perfect for couples, families, and groups of friends who want to enjoy a special night out in Istanbul. Standard menu: Turkish starter plate spicy paste, fava, mahamara, American salad, fettuccine, cheddar cheese, haydari, tomato, cucumber, green salad, pakanga pastry, main course grilled meatballs, spicy chicken skewers, baked seasonal fish, vegetarian menu, grilled vegetables with rice or pasta, Turkish baklava plate, unlimited local alcoholic and soft drinks beer, raki, vodka, red and white wine, gin and soft drinks. Note: imported alcoholic drinks are extra charged. There are 50 kinds of imported alcoholic beverages on board. New Year party program and special menu: charred wraps, salmon rolls in crepe, chicken breast with garlic and walnut, beans paste, Ezine white cheese New Year's special crispy bombella pastry, chestnut turkey rolls served with rice with raisins, pine nuts and butter, sautéed vegetables, Caesar's salad served with sautéed shrimp, New Year's cake caramel roasted peanuts with orange flavor, limited alcoholic and soft drinks beer, raki, vodka, red and white wine, gin and soft drinks, champagne service as the new year approaches. Note: imported alcoholic drinks are extra charged. There are 50 kinds of imported alcoholic beverages on board. Number 7. Discover the magic of Istanbul from the water by joining an exclusive group of no more than 12 people on a luxurious yacht. Your journey begins as you step aboard the elegant yacht, where a friendly crew awaits you. Look forward to a 2-hour sail through the historic Bosphorus, where each turn unveils new exciting views, from the majestic Galata Tower to the impressive Bosphorus Bridge. Sailing past the historical peninsula, you will see the famous Dolmabahce and Sirigan palaces, along with whimsical mansions of millionaires lining the shores. Witness the splendor of Ortaköy and the mysterious beauty of the Maiden's Tower. During the voyage, you will be pampered with exquisite light snacks, fresh fruits, and traditional Turkish sweets. Enjoy aromatic tea or coffee while gazing at the picturesque shores, and allow yourself to relax on this unforgettable journey. Use our exclusive audio guide app to learn more about each landmark you pass by. This tour is not just an excursion. It is an immersion into the history and culture of Istanbul with unparalleled luxury and comfort. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.